chamber. We call it guard room. It was for the English soldiers only. Those who violated their law were in the first room here. Soldiers were considered. They gave them light and air from this angle. They were there for some few hours or days and they were freed. But our forefathers in the main cell in there were denied of food, water, air and light, still chained until they died. They were condemned because they fought for their freedom. I call them freedom fighters. Others tried to escape. They put them there to die, to serve as a deterrent to the others. It is now time to visit or see the cell. And more will be told, more will be seen in there as well. So please, shall we? Yeah.
Just be careful about your head.
Yeah. Please mind your head. Mind your head. Go down. Down.
The tall people don't have a problem at all, but the short people has a problem.
Mind your head.
Same setup.
Watch your head. Okay. Go down. Go down.
Come on, everybody, let's pack it in, pack it in.
Watch your head. Go down. Go down.
Come on, everybody, get in so I can lock you in there, please. All right, and when I lock the door, please do not scream.
Please, don't let it go.
No problem. If it's someone wants to buy, I'll just tell how much.
Kwabna, once the last person in, let's lock the door.
Yeah.
You gonna watch the movie?
I just want to see them, how they feel for 5 minutes with the door locked. Sit there.
You'll give instructions before.
Yes, sir. Please mind your head. Let's stay down.
Watch your head.
Stay down.
Everybody's gonna need a candle. Come in. Everybody's gonna need a candle. Come in. Everybody come inside. Everybody need a candle? Everyone inside, move away from the door, and folks have to come in. It's going to be hot for a little while, but just remember, we are going to be able to leave this room alive. This was the condemned cell. Our ancestors who came into this room did not leave. They did not leave alive.
Anyone has a candle, please?
Okay, Sass?
I need one.
Okay, if anybody has extra candles?
Yes. I gave you all.
Okay. Yeah.
Somebody else has extra ones. Here they come.
If you have better those flat candles, yes.
The tea candles. Just the tea candles.
It's hard.